What's up guys? If you want to play FIFA 22 against random people online, the first thing you need obviously is an active PlayStation Plus subscription. That's the only way you can be able to play against other people online, not just in FIFA, but any PlayStation title. So go to your PS Plus and check if you have an active subscription. And if it's active, then what you need to look for is seasons inside PS5. Now sometimes you can find it under play. Scroll all the way to the right until you get to seasons and select seasons. Now your PS5 will try and check for some stuff online. Don't interrupt the process. Now inside seasons, make sure you select play match. You can even be able to see how many players are online, and that's the number of potential players you can play against people playing FIFA seasons right now. So select play match. And then here, it's going to automatically select your favorite team on FIFA, the one you chose when you're, setting up the game for the first time. I have Liverpool selected. So if you flick right and go to Liverpool, you can manage your team here. You can change formations, score tactics, everything. And when you're happy with the team, you can go back and then go to search and press search to look for an opponent to play against. But before we do that, if you flick down to change team and kit and select that, you can be able to change the team you want to play with. So for instance, I can select another team like that, select it, and also select the kit I want to be using. And as you can see, it changes on the right hand side. Now from here, I can select that and now customize my team the way I want to. Now the last option down there is matchmaking settings, and this basically lets you select the criteria for which you want to be paired with other players. If you want to be paired against players using the same controls or any controls, club quality matching, club type, guest, these are all settings you can tweak just to fine-tune the type of player you'll be matched against. When everything is ready and you're ready to play, simply go to search and search for an opponent, and FIFA will try its best to pair you with a player on the same level as you. They call it divisions. So as you play and win games, you move from division to division and you go all the way up towards Division 1. It may take a long time or a short time to find a player, and when an opponent is found, it's going to tell you opponent found. Then there's this little window to prepare as the other opponent prepares his game, and the game starts.
It's a glorious day for football here in Dortmund, the venue, the Signal Iduna Park. My name is Derek Ray, and my commentary partner on this occasion is Stuart Robson. And no question, this ought to be...
And now I'm playing against a random opponent online. And that's basically how you can set up a match and play against random people online. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.